Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty.
Morning. So I just got done making my bed. My air bed, because of course that's what I'm sleeping on right now. Perfectly fine. Pretty soon I will be sleeping on a real bed because I moved that into the apartment today. So both of these boxes right here, ignore all of that crazy clothes. I have no place to put them, but these two boxes are my bed. So when I ordered this, I totally forgot that, yeah, I kind of need mattresses. So, they're staying in the boxes for now. But today, the agenda is meeting up with a friend, going shopping, yeah. For later after that, I will be having another friend come over and do my hair. So looking forward to that. And yeah, I'm just about to make my tea and like actually get dressed. I need to get dressed.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on.
I cleaned up a little bit because, you know, it was kind of messy. It still is. Like all those cords over there, whatever. I'm gonna organize them. But just wearing a little white top that I got forevers ago and some nude biker shorts. Absolutely love these. My mom hates them and they always confuse people. So yay for confusion. Okay, so it is the whole next day at this point, and I decided to do a voiceover because I was so tired and speaking gibberish. So I was just letting y'all know that I had stayed up all night and was extremely tired. I feel like I might look kind of crazy under there, but as soon as I get up, I'm gonna put on some music, just move, wake my body up, take this assessment, and go back to sleep for a little bit if I have time. But if I don't, oh well. Anyways, whew, I can start it.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn.
I got a message. Hello. It is Monday and I am exhausted. It's pretty late in the morning. Yeah, yesterday was fun, but it was crazy. I ended up, actually, let's sit down for a second. Okay, so it is Monday and I'm so tired. Yesterday, so Saturday night, my friend started my locks and we were up all night. She did a wonderful job making sure my parts were perfect, but that took literally all night. Well, we started really late, but it took all night and the sun was up before we laid it down. So going into Saturday, there was a comedy brunch, and I took a couple of clips, but it was so fun. All the performances were amazing. They even let people from the audience come up and perform. Like, who does that? The food was good, bottomless mimosas. So, you know, we were lit. That's where all of my energy went. And after that, I went and hung out with my friend. Hey, hung out with my friend a little bit more, and your girl was asleep after that.
PT, two-time baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like butter. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one, really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
Whew, okay, so I thought I broke my camera for a second because the screen was black. We here though. Since I was cleaning up Anya, I wanted to go ahead and show y'all all of my plant babies. So, there is beautiful pothos. I'm not sure what this is. Actually looking kind of sad. I'm surprised this plant is still alive because when I'm just gonna turn this, I have a nice little fern. I just got these because I have all this space in this bathroom and your water is good. You're just going through something, that's fine. We'll get some of that stuff out of there. Another ZZ, so they live there. Okay, hi, I'm back. Wow, oh wow, I am back and sitting by the river. I don't know how much time I have because yeah, my memory card was full and I just sat here for the last like 10 minutes deleting things, and hopefully I didn't delete any awesome things because my memory card is like a vlog mosh posh of things that I've never posted. So yay me, I need to like do something with that. Maybe I'll make some kind of weird cringy whatever it is when you like put stuff together. Anyways, mashup of like videos. But anyways, update. So these are supposed to be my starter locks, and I say supposed to be because when I say my hair feels like hay, my hair is so dry, and my hair doesn't usually feel this dry because I put product on it. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to do about this. I just got done talking to multiple people because one person calls, everybody calls. Anyways, this is one of my favorite spots, so I want to show you. Just sitting here on the river. So I wanted to talk about something, so I'm just about to start because I don't know how much time I have. So I've been really like taking moments to be by myself. My head has been hurting. I can't do headstands anymore. Maybe I could do a headstand in the sand because it's soft, but my head is soft right now. I think my head is softer than the sand, so that won't really work. But no more headstands. Bye bye, ducky. So I did pay for this class, but I don't feel like rushing. So I checked in and we are about to go look at some flowers. So I'm looking at my handy dandy map. I feel like Dora the Explorer. Let's go. I have to use a token to get in. Drive! Hey guys, oh my gosh, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. You would not believe how many times I have tried to do this and stopped and told myself that I couldn't. But this year, we are not holding back. We are going on a journey together. Anyways, this was so much fun, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye.
I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you?
Okay, wait. I know I said bye, but I kind of have to explain myself. Like, I get excited when I think I'm cute, and when I get excited, this is what happens.